Hello my brothers, welcome to the new Stronghold Crusader video. So in this fight we have the Wolf and Huibach. Okay, so I used like a lot of Wolf and Huibach and trying some things like together and really two OP lords. So let's try them 1 versus 1. Okay, so the Huibach and the Wolf. Okay, so one thing, as you can see, I found something really interesting. Some maps, I don't know, some bug is there, something like that, like this. So, like you can play like in a Wolf, as you can see. This is Wolf, and I can like somehow like play in his place, as you can see. So I can play some houses. Okay, so yeah, I found like this thing happen in a lot of, well, not a lot of maps, in some maps. It's like spectating. I'm spectating, but I don't know somehow. And yeah, you can see like the messages because Huibach attack, and as you can see the messages. So as you can see, I can move the Lord and some units. Okay, so. Okay, so yeah, I don't know how is this thing. Yeah, so I can like add this barrack. Okay, yeah, I know this is not like, and I can have like some horses, and well, but I can't like use them. I think, but I can like, as you can see, spawn some things. So yeah, as I said, I found this like in some maps. This thing is possible to do. I don't know, it's some bug or something like that. Yeah, as you can see, I can't move horses, but I can move Lord for some reason. And I'm not sure if I can like. Yeah, I can disband units. Yeah, okay, I will do nothing, bro. This is like playing in his position, like. But yeah, I just really want to show this thing. Yeah, I can move, I can add some walls. But yeah, I will not do that, so you can see this. Okay, let's remove this. I guess I can destroy walls, but I will not do that. So yeah, that's some bug, something like that. I really don't know. And happen in the some maps. Yeah, as you can see, like how he's building, like where is the pitch, killing pits and water, as you can see. So yeah, and this, yeah, they don't use horses. So yeah. Okay, I move like him. Okay, so there is 3 of them. Yeah, I can't move. Yeah, there is their messages, but I can't move them or. Okay, so yeah, I really just wanted to show this thing. Like, okay, I wanted to use this map. It's balance a lot of resources, but yeah, but yeah, you can't just. Okay, so yeah, the wolf will attack. Yeah, I can't. Oh, I can. Okay, I can move some units. Okay, so, oh, I didn't know I can move some units. Okay, so okay, this will be like playing. Okay, I can use red and play as a red. What? Bro, does he think I'm playing with him or what? Okay, so yeah, well, I'm broke. Well, this game, I little bit broke this game a bit because doing this stuff. But okay, I really just wanted to show this thing. Like, okay, so yeah, I can like use red and play but in red like body to play with red and but okay, but I can just add them myself and play. But okay, I don't know. Yeah, so I can move. I can move some units. Okay, some units are movable, some are not, so I don't know how this works. But I really wanted to show this thing, that this some bug or something like that, really. Okay, so Wolf have a lot of gold, and Huibach don't have gold. How Wolf have this gold? Okay, so, okay, yeah, this is a little bit broken. Like, playing, like, 2 lords, no playing. Yeah. Yeah, but you can see like his economy, how many food he have. Yeah, market. Some cheese, some apples, some bread, some, yeah, as you can see his stockpile. Can I see stockpile? Okay, yeah, I can on market. Okay, yeah, market. I can buy some iron. I can't buy iron. No, I can't buy iron or sell. No, no, yeah, I can buy. Yeah, I can buy. Okay, so yeah, this is a little bit, and I can buy units and. Okay, so Wolf will. Okay, so can I use like this pikeman to dig out the water and. Okay, so okay, I know I'm really. Can I like use these pikemen? I'm just trying. Okay, my brothers, I'm sorry, I'm breaking this, but I'm really interested. No, no, no. So yeah, I'm not playing. This is, or they will like dig out water, bro. Yeah, and you can see like the attack messages when he defeat your units and yeah, yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is like okay, okay, yeah, but I can't, of course, I can't use to choose his units and like to move and yeah. Okay, so maybe I did. Okay, so yeah, look, but Wolf have tons of gold, bro. Look at this gold. Yeah, and he's like attacking and. Okay, they break through, bro. No. Okay, but he think. I guess somehow Wolf think I'm there, but I'm not there, bro. So, bro, yeah. So yeah, but okay, okay, yeah, I'm just breaking this, but yeah, I just. Yeah, whatever. Can I repair this? Yes, no, yeah, you can repair. The AI can't repair the walls for some reason. I don't know why they just need to add the towers like below 20% HP or 13% HP. They just like repair, not wait for walls to be destroyed. But okay. Yeah, I'm well sad I can't like use horses. Yeah, but yeah, but it's not like 100% playable. So I use like some knights for recruit some knights, but you can't like move them because probably he don't have. But I can move Lord, bro. So yeah, but some are movable, some are not. So I don't know. Okay, so about Wolf Castle, really big castle. I don't know why he chose a lot of place, brothers. Look at this, how much place he. But I don't know why he chose to build this small castle. Some church. Why not he don't have any church, bro? Look at this gold. Okay, I guess we are breaking him. We somehow break it him, brothers. Yeah, he don't like recruit any unit. Okay, so he don't like. Why he don't have any church, bro? Okay, let's add the him church, bro. Yeah, but some food, bro. Aha, food popularity. Okay, popularity is falling. Does he have food? Have a lot of food. Yeah, but he don't like recruit units. Okay, I guess I'm just break it him, bro. So okay, so let's like okay. So I really just wanted to show this thing that in this map somehow they are it's playable like to play with them. So I don't know how is that possible. Okay, so let's try some quick map, some test. Let's see like this. Okay, so in this map, as you can see, I can play. I can't like do nothing. I can't, as you can see. Yeah, but in previous I could destroy towers. Okay, I didn't destroy that. Oh, okay, I can destroy it. Okay, somehow I could, does he destroying this? Okay, probably I destroyed it. Okay, I don't. Okay, I will. Okay, so look at this now, castle. Okay, so yeah, Bach and Wolf. Okay, so yeah, I can play it now. So okay, so let's see. Okay, look at this. Okay, such a huge castle. Okay, what about resources? Okay, okay, he have a lot. Okay, yeah, they are a little bit close, but okay, I just want to hear our friends your comments about that. About that thing, maybe somehow like someone see that too, like in the some maps as a spectator can like do things like this to play like. But well, it's not 100% playable. But okay, so let's try this. Okay, so yeah, OP castle for Wolf. Okay, no, and no, he is playing, and no, he don't have gold. Okay, so he is not playing the game. Okay, I guess somehow I broke him, probably. Okay, so bot will attack in the same time. Yeah, Wolf will defend. Okay, Huibach is panicking, but yeah, bro, the fire. Okay, so yeah, the Wolf is not like smart. And all AI will use open castle to try to break the enemy castle. So yeah, the AI is not the all AI smart work in the same way. So okay, so all of them will try to use open. Okay, so probably Huibach will not be able to defeat the wolf, bro. Or maybe he will when the wolf will run out of gold. But okay, bot will run out of gold. But okay. Okay, so another attack from Wolf, but and Huibach attack. Okay, so both attack at the same time. Okay, so Huibach will panic again, but Huibach will defend the attack. Yeah, okay, maybe not. Yeah, fire, yeah, the fire melted. Yeah, the fire melted every Wolf unit. But okay, so yeah, his defense is 0. Like, everything is 0, like no walls, no but that killing pit and fire in this place is just OP. So yeah. And tons of crossbowmen to defend. So yeah, his OP defense. Well, attack is really good, but when you look at this castle, 0 but open castle melting everything. And yeah, Wolf classic OP castle with a lot of towers, but there is a lot of empty space. So yeah, this is really like weak spot. Okay, and he blocked himself like there is no root pet there. So yeah, you can't like go there, so only pet is there. Yeah. He blocked this totally this side, so cool. Okay, so Wolf will attack. Okay, about gold. Okay, so Huibach don't have gold. Okay, so Wolf will. Okay, Wolf will attack, but what about his position? Okay, he have uh, resources. Iron mine, some stones. He can have stone there and there. Okay, he can stones or stone, but he don't. I don't know how to place their stones. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so he have a lot of resources and green fields. Okay, never mind. So yeah, the wolf like another attack, but yeah, the Huibach defender. Okay, classic. Okay, maybe eventually wolf will beat him. Or okay, when the Huibach will run out of gold, not money to build like pitch back. Yeah, probably. But I guess they will like fight. Okay, let's speed up this a bit because I guess they will fight a lot. They will need like a lot of time to destroy like to kill each other, bro. Yeah, the wolf is just 10 of 10. He is just like 10 of 10. Yeah, look at this. Oof, total tons of negative vector. Yeah, that's bad. I don't know why he have that, bro. Just remove it. But yeah, he will be OP. Yeah. Yeah, they need to balance him somehow. Units like to full fear factor. Yeah, they need to balance him. But with positive fear, with positive sector, bro. Okay, so Huibach will not attack. Yeah, he have problem with gold. And again, look at this. Yeah, how they stack in place, and all of them burn, bro. And Huibach constantly panic because yeah, the AI. Oh, okay, they. Oh, but Huibach have a lot of units. Yeah, he defend the and he melted a lot of his units, I guess. No, oh, he have a lot of units now. But okay, the wolf manage a lot to to travel with units, a lot of distance like he managed. But yeah, look at this, like pet units need to, and there is some fire as I remember some there. So there is fire and some there like is a fire. Okay, so Huibach will not attack him. That's maybe. But Wolf will attack again, bro. He have like more units than Huibach and more gold than Huibach. Okay, so Wolf like is. Okay, so yeah, both like Wolf like don't have gold, so who have better economy classic. But okay, a lot of yeah, they are a little bit yeah, I know they are a little bit close to each other, but yeah. Yeah, and the wolf like pressuring him a lot. Yeah, this is like, well, it's not like balance like about the distance. Better if I use like Huibach in this position. Yeah, it's possible, I guess. But yeah, they will just like travel around, brothers, with the units. It will be a little bit boring. Okay, so another attack for wolf. Yeah, this like is not little but like balance at all, but okay. Yeah, but yeah, he's OP because of the fire and killing pits in this area, so yeah. Yeah, look at this fire, bro, look at this fire melting everything. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Okay, look, manage a lot of gold to get back. What? Ooh, nice. Okay, so yeah, Wolf like did 4 like attack in a row, but Huibach no. But Huibach didn't like do like only 3 maybe at all attack, like 3-4 attack he did, and yeah, that's it. Maybe 3 attack he did. Huibach. The castle ghost. The ghost? The castle ghost, nice. Okay, so what about this map? Okay, this map is not bad. So this is like two versus 2 maps. So okay, and pretty like balanced map and a really looking nice map. Not bad map. Okay, a lot of trees. Okay, so nice map. A lot like they have a lot of like uh 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 uh, space for each other. So yeah. So okay, this map is cool for 2 versus 2. Okay, so probably the next attack will be from Wolf. Yeah, maybe Huibach will attack. Or they will attack in the same time. Oh, let's see. Okay, so... yeah, this trebuchet constantly destroying these walls. And the Huibach constantly repairing it. Okay, yeah, so Wolf will attack. So yeah, the Huibach will defend another attack, yes. Okay, yeah, look at this, like how units group in one place and the fire is everywhere. Okay, so yeah, look at this fire, bro, melting. Okay, they yeah, but bro, bro, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I guess this is the matter of the time when the wolf will like kill the Huibag, bro. But the problem is, yeah, he always get gold back Huibag, and of course buying pitch, so they can like never end. Yeah, that's the problem too. Yeah, I can't like use the units. Okay, so yeah, okay, so yeah, the wolf will attack him. Okay, so this will be interesting to see. No, ooh, look at this unit, bro. Yo. Okay, so this will be interesting. Quite interesting. Yeah, so yeah, in the previous map I could like control the wolf. Like because I first added him, like this is like my color, no, it's not, I changed it to be like yeah, but yeah, he defend the attack easily. Lol. Because I firstly added the wolf and it's like it is me. So yeah, that's why I could like control wolf. If I like choose Huibach first, I could like control Huibach. So yeah, that's the thing why I could like why I have control on the wolf. So yeah, if I use like the Huibach first, I could control the Huibach. So yeah, that's that's the thing. Okay, so wolf will attack. Will Huibach attack? Okay, so bot attack in the same time. Okay, so this will be probably this will be not dangerous for Huibach. Okay, so he lost all the units easily. And okay, so he managed to deal some damage. Okay, so how much units Huibach have? Okay, he have less units, but yeah, he will defend it yeah, easily. Bro, oh yo. Okay, so okay, some units left. Oh yeah, bro, they can't even. Oh yeah, okay, so okay. Oh yeah, he will. Oh, he will be do more if these units will not be late. Yo, but yeah, this Huibach is really hard to kill. Oof. Yeah, this game will be like last forever. So okay, Wolf. So almost 1k troop. Will Huibach attack? But okay, so Huibach will defend it ever. Yes, so no matter if you k 2k units attacking, yeah, he will beat the he will like defend the attack. So yeah, look at this attack, bro. Bro, but units like die don't even like reach the oh, the game is lagging. Okay, so bro, look how units like die don't even reach anything. Okay, and plus there, yeah, so yeah, so Huibach defend the attack. Okay, they reach a lot, bro. Ooh, a lot of like this. Okay, but fire, yeah, not. Okay, this like fire is like late activate, bro. Bro, melting like 1k unit easily. But okay, he needs to rebuild the castle, and but okay, he will. Of course, he will build eventually. Wolf won't have troops for the attack, so he will rebuild the fire. Yes. Okay, so guess 1k units. Yes, 1k units will attack the Huibach and Huibach will defend the attack. Okay, Huibach attack him, bro. Yeah, tons of crossbowmen to defend the attack. Fire, pikemen, so yeah, is yeah. Okay, so yeah, the 1k units will die. Well, bro. But I really love how the Huibach constantly panic without reason. Okay, so game speed, yeah, game is lagging, bugging. Okay, so again this fire is late, and why? What the heck is? Why he use cows on his own units to use like plague, bro? Insane, insane, bro. Okay, so yeah, this is like, yeah, this that kind of game, huh? Yeah, yeah. So okay, maybe two will defeat the wolf. Maybe, but yeah, probably yeah, because they can like break through the wolf castle, and wolf can't kill any of them. So one Huibach will not attack because the one will receive all damage from wolf, and the second will like constantly attack wolf. Well, yeah, the two Huibach will be interesting to see, but the one is just like I don't know, like waste of time, bro. Wolf will do okay. Probably 1k units. Yeah, he recruit. Okay, so he have us like not double units than Huibach, but okay, well, like, but yeah, Huibach will defend this attack too. And okay, let's slow down the game because yeah, and yeah, okay, so interesting when Huibach will attack, bro. When he will be trigger for the attack. Okay, so he's panicking. But yeah, of course he's defending the attack. Yep. Easy. Easy. Killing pits. Yeah, killing pits. Look how pikemen dying on the killing pits, bro. Plus a lot of units by Huibach have. And fire will activate in the second phase. So okay, so the fire will activate there, so yeah, nothing. Yeah. Yeah, classic. Okay, so nothing from this attack too. Wow, insane. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this thing start to start tilt a bit. That's a kind of scenario, that kind of game. Okay, so uh, yeah. As you can see, the wolf, I guess, maybe, I'm really not sure if the wolf attacking Huibach. Probably he's attacking the Huibach, oh, the Huibach, so, but okay, so the game again, okay, oh, okay, bro, stop panicking, okay, so yeah, uh, bro, they will never end it, they will never finish this game. Yeah, okay, so maybe if Huibach attack the wolf, bro. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, of course the Huibach will defend the attack, but maybe if the Huibach like, but he is losing all units because he's bad. Like, okay, so he burned all of his pikemen, and whatever. Okay, stupid AI. Okay, see, he burned all of his all enemy units and all his pikemen's own. So, bro, bro. And yeah, he can't like do any attack because he's constantly using units defending and burning his own units. So yes. Oh, wolf! Oh, oh! Look at this unit! Yeah, all units will die. Yeah, let's go, bro. These units will kill you, bro. In the class, like, if you don't have like walls and bro, this amount of units, bro. A lot of uniform. Bro, stop. Panicking, you're tilting me because you're panicking with no reason, bro. He's panicking, bro. Yeah, and he. Yeah, yeah, bro. Oof. Okay, better if I added like two Huibach and like two Huibach like will attack. Okay, one will attack. The constantly wolf. Something will happen in the games. But right now, yeah, this is like insane. Yeah, all of them will burn there. So yeah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, how many fire you have, bro? Oh, how many fire you have? We have fire there. Yo, I thought this will be end, bro. Yo, no fucking way, bro. Bro, so fire, bro. This is too much, bro. Yeah, this is like too much. Bro, this is not funny, bro. Yeah, this is like, bro, it's not funny. It's not funny. Oh! Eh, whatever. No, whatever, bro. Whatever. Why I'm doing this like this to myself? Like I didn't upload 4 days, tons of work, main work, side quest, like, and tons of things, and one clip. Okay, let's made, and this needs to be like this. Ugh. I have no words for this. Okay, so Huibach didn't like Wolf did 10 attack, and Huibach did like 4, 5. What 10? Like 20 Wolf attack. The Huibach did like 5, 6 attack. But yeah. Okay, so he. Okay, nothing, nothing. Mhm.
Eine Botschaft, Herr.
uh. No comment at all. No comment at all, bro. I will not comment at this at all, bro. Okay, so he like need 100 pikemans to defend the 1k wolf units, and fire will do everything. And fire will do anything, and killing bits will do the like rest and fire. So 100 pikemen defend the wolf attack easily. But I don't know. He only like recruit the pikemen for the attack. They are like really cheap, but he can't like recruit more than 500 units. Like his economy is really bad. Huibach. He can't like recruit the at all pikemans. Yeah. Okay, so whatever. Whatever. Okay. Like triple 4-time wolf recruit units faster than Huibach. This Huibach have zero economy and low cost pikemen. He can't like recruit them, but wolf managed to. I don't know, bro. 4-time like quick recruit units. Like Huibach always like 500 units and that's it. And yeah, always copy paste scenario. So yeah, again the Huibach will defend it, like, bro. So yeah, yeah. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Yeah, look at this. How many units died there and didn't do anything? They didn't reach anything. Didn't. Yeah. Yeah, whatever, bro. Whatever. This game is just. Maybe, but yeah, the fire is there, so nothing. No? Yeah. Yo! Yo! Oh, but. Oh, whatever. Finally, bro. But and again, Huibach can't recruit more than the. Bro, whatever, bro, whatever, bro. What? I have no words for this at all. Okay, so let's love this because it will. Yeah, it will like crash and eventually maybe broke the whole game. Bro, if he like don't he beat him, but of course he will, bro. He will not beat him, no, of course. That will happen, bro. Bro, I ain't no way, bro. This, bro. Oof. Yeah. Okay, so game crashed once, like I really don't remember which video, but game crashed once because a lot of units, yeah, the game just crashed, bro. So yeah, if this, bro, if this like hit them, it's just like insane, bro, insane. Bro, like Wolf can do nothing. Like with triple more units almost than Huibach, he can still do nothing because this fire is OP. This fire needs to deal less damage. I don't know. This fire need a little bit rework change about the damage. Fire is OP, bro. This fire is like just OP in this game. Fire needs to be changed. Just broken. Really broke. Really broke. Okay, yes. Easily defend the attack, bro. Huibach easily defend the attack. Bro! 1k units easily defend. Bro. Like, is this... Yeah, so yeah, they will never end. As I say, they will never end this. Yo, Huibach will attack! Yo, no way! No way, Huibach will attack! Ain't no way him! Yo! Ain't no way Huibach attack, but I didn't even pay attention on the map. Yo! Bro, insane Huibach, nice! Okay, so lost. Okay. Okay, Wolf attack him. Okay, Wolf attack him, bro. Bro, I didn't even pay the attention, bro, on the map because no way Huibach will attack. Okay, Wolf, if the Wolf like no beat him. Okay, this will be over. Bro, Wolf attack him, bro. He will recruit the units, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. This thing is happening. Wolf attack him, bro. Yo. He have 4 more units like than the Huibach, bro. Oh my god. Oof. Okay, so I hope so, like, yo, how many units, bro? How many? Okay, and Huibach again. Oh, bro. Oh, bro, he will defend the attack, bro. I'm done. This unit's late. Why is this unit late? Wait for this unit. Wait for this unit. Think! You need to think with crossbowmen. Think crossbowmen. Think with swarmmen. And you, bro, if they like can't play, use swarmmen, pikemen, then place the crossbowmen there to at least hit something, deal some damage. Okay, so okay, so yeah, game can crash. So let's slow this. How is this unit's placement are so bad? Like in front row he use crossbowmen. I know. Okay, so if he don't he beat him now, bro. Look at these units, 100 units more. Bro, shut up, bro. Can't. So 100,000 units more, 100, whatever. Thousands units more than the Huibach, and he will not like bro beat him. Well, Wolf could kill him if he like attack while instantly while he defended the Huibach attack, but yeah, he didn't do that, so he will like die now. So yeah. Okay, did he killed? Bro, what is this? Bro, they're bugged, bro. They do. Aha, they. Whatever. Okay. He have like still have a lot of units. 1k units still, 1k units. Promising. Okay. The fire. Oh. The fire is there, bro. The fire. Fucking fire is there, bro. Oh, these crossbowmen, tons of crossbowmen. Yo, oh fuck. Oh, look at this fire, bro. Look at this fire, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way he will defend this attack. He will defend this attack, bro. He will defend this attack. Yeah. Where is Lord? Where is Lord? There is Lord. There is Lord. Okay, the Lord don't take damage for now. Okay. 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 Yes. Yes. Oh.
A message from
Oh.
my master informs
Oh.
of his desire to take control of your lands. Prepare yourself.
Insane. 1 hour, bro. 1 hour, brothers. 1 hour. 1 hour. They fight. 1 hour. Thanks for watching. See ya next time.